Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Party Decorations. Today I'm sharing a very simple to make yet very unique unicorn birthday party decoration idea. You can also decorate your room with the same design. And the best part is you can make this awesome unicorn birthday decoration under $5. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome party decoration ideas and press the bell icon. Let's begin with the tissue paper pom-pom flower. I am using pastel shades gift tissue paper set from Dollar Tree. I am going to take 5 color sheets and 2 sheets of each color. That is 10 tissue paper sheets in total. Arrange them the way you want your pom-pom flower. Then I am going to cut each color set papers from 12 inches, 11 inches, 10 inches, 9 inches and 8 inches respectively as shown. To make the biggest petal, first fold the paper sheet and mark 12 inches and cut it. Now I am folding the paper in accordion folds as shown. Now fold in the center and draw a curve on the edges and cut it. Repeat the same process for rest of the colored tissues. Now open the 12 inches paper and overlap it with the 11 inches paper and keep going till the 8 inches piece as shown. Adjust all the accordion folds. Then fold all the papers and secure it with the balloon string or with any thread. And repeat the same to make other 2 tissue paper pom-poms. For some fun, change the color sequence of the gift tissue papers. This will make 3 big flowers for the unicorn crown. Now start to pull each layer of the tissue carefully starting from the center and you will be left with the beautiful 3-dimensional flowers. Now I am going to make unicorn ears. I am using colored printing papers, but you can use any colored or tinted papers. Fold the pink paper, draw a petal like shape as shown and cut it. We are going to need 2 pieces. Now take the blue paper, fold it and use pink petal for the reference and draw a 1 inch bigger line as shown and cut it. We need 2 blue pieces. Then glue pink petal on the blue one as shown. To make it look like 3D, cut 2 inches slit in the center from the bottom side and stick it with the glue. To make a unicorn horn, I am using golden plastic gift wrap from Dollar Tree. Cut a 20 cm by 20 cm square piece and make a cone. Secure it with the tape and cut out the excess part. I'm going to make 6 different colored and shaped leaves to fit on the unicorn crown. Let's see how I made it. Overlap 2 pieces of same colored papers, draw a leaf design and cut it. We need 6 leaves. To make eyelashes, take A4 sized black paper, draw eyelashes shape on it with the help of white coloring pencil or white crayon and cut it. I'm going to stick all the unicorn decoration on the wall with the help of wall safe scotch tape. First stick 3 tissue paper pom-pom flowers. Then adjust unicorn horn and stick it on top of the center paper flower. On both the sides of horn, stick ears. And paper leaves on both the sides. Stick eyelashes as shown and unicorn birthday party decoration is ready. Please subscribe to my channel for more awesome party decoration ideas and press the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching.